Today and this month, as we're ending May, we take time to recognize and thank foster parents and those who work to support the families. Foster parents are ensuring the youth in need in our community are safe and that their needs are provided for. Foster care is crucial in providing stable, loving homes and support young people in need who are to thrive. Foster parents' willingness to open their hearts and homes to children and help them learn life skills, reunite with their birth families, transition to independence, and many other responsibilities is beyond commendable, and we thank them. I also want to thank the advocates who work to support these families. Your dedication and compassion are truly remarkable, and you play a vital role in making a positive difference in their lives. Thank you for your dedication and compassion, and I will turn it over to my colleague, Councilmember Albornoz.
Thank you so much. Sorry, I was a couple minutes late. Family of six and a broken washing machine equals trouble in the morning. But I am here and I am thrilled to be here. This is such an important opportunity for us to acknowledge both the children in our foster care system, the incredible caring adults who are willing to open their homes and show their love and provide support to these children in their greatest hour of need, but also the incredible social workers and case managers and the staff who work tirelessly to support those youth, to support those foster parents, but also to connect these youth with parents. This is an extraordinary time, and right now in our country, there are 391,000 children and youth in the foster care system nationally. And we are fortunate to have great leaders among us. Participating today is Ms. Lisa Merkin, the Director of the Child Welfare Services here in the Department of Health and Human Services, Jean Marie Garcia, the President of the Montgomery County Foster Parent Association, and the one and only Ms. Agnes Leshner, the past Director of Child Welfare Services, representing our nonprofit organizations as well as for Montgomery's kids. So first we will hear from Ms. Jean Marie Garcia, followed by Agnes Leshner, and then we will read the proclamation.
We just want to thank you on behalf of the Montgomery County parents. We have some of the most amazing foster parents in this county that work tirelessly to support our youth. And so we just thank you for the acknowledgement. We appreciate it very much.
We are very grateful for all of the foster parents who have opened their homes to children who have been physically, sexually abused, and chronically neglected. They come with a lot of challenges, and the families who take them in have a lot of challenges ahead of them. So thank you to all the foster parents who do this very difficult job. Thanks, Gabe.
And there are many opportunities to become a foster parent. We encourage everyone to please do so, and please visit the county's website at the Department of Health and Human Services to learn how. We will now read the proclamation.
You want to start?
Sure. Why don't I do the first two and then you take it home?
Okay.
Instead of alternating.
Yes.
Whereas, in 1853, Charles Loring Brace, a minister, founded a program called Children's Aid New York after noticing many children living in neglect and homelessness in the streets of New York City. The program laid the groundwork for the modern-day foster care system by providing housing, food, fresh air programs, and schooling to support thousands of orphaned children. And whereas, in 1919, the Children's Bureau, as part of the United States Department of Labor, published minimum standards of child welfare, highlighting the importance of keeping a child in their home whenever possible, and if removal from a home was necessary, offering an environment of home life through foster placements. And whereas,
my glasses. In 1988, President Ronald Reagan announced a presidential proclamation establishing May as National Foster Care Month. And whereas Foster Care Month is a time to acknowledge the 463,000 American children currently in foster care, their foster care parents, and the volunteers, mentors, child welfare professionals, and policymakers who help them find permanent homes and meaningful connections. And whereas the Montgomery County Council recognizes the importance of foster care and the impact it has on the lives of foster children. Now therefore be it resolved that the County Council of Montgomery County, Maryland hereby proclaims May 2023 as Foster Care Awareness Month, presented this day, the 25th day of May in the year 2003, signed by myself, Councilmember Albornoz, and Council President Evan Glass. And so now we can come take a picture.